Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Dottie with Ignite Cinemas, and today I have a special tutorial on how to update your GH5 to the newest 2.6 firmware. Let's get it! Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, as I always give tips and tricks on Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials, as well as tips and tricks using your GH5, and today is no different. So I've been slacking because it's now February of 2020 and I have yet to update my GH5 to the newest 2.6 firmware. Now apparently, get this, they say they fixed the autofocus feature. Well, I'm pretty curious and I feel like it's about that time to try this out. And I figured, why not show you how to update your firmware if you haven't done so already. With that being said, let's go into the screen back here and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna wanna go to the official Panasonic website to update the firmware. Now I have kindly put this website in the description so you can go straight to it, and it's going to lead you to this page for the GH5 firmware update, and we're talking version 2.6. It gives you some things that have been updated. The big thing here though is the improved AF performance, which we will be testing, and it now added options for far shift and near shift, so be excited to try to check those out. And it also added some other improvements. Hit the firmware download button right here. This then is going to take you to a page and you're going to find out, and once you get here, you're going to want to go to the one for your model. This is the one right here. We want 2.6. Click the go download page and you can read more, or you can just hit download and boom.
Now what we're going to do first is we have to format our memory card. So we're going to come over here to the wrench tool. I'm going to go down to format, slot 1. Now I don't have anything important on this memory card and you shouldn't either. So go ahead and hit yes. Format that bad boy. And we're going to turn it off. Take out your memory card. And we're going to go to the computer and we're going to insert that firmware update that we downloaded.
Now after we download our zip file, we double click the zip and we get a bin file. Now once we have the newly formatted SD card, that's when we come over here to the bin and we're gonna slide that on over to the memory card. Once that is complete, we can then eject the memory card, and now the fun time begins.
So now it's time to update our firmware. So we have the memory card with the bin file in, and we're going to insert it into the GH5 and we're going to turn it on. Then we're going to hit this play button and you should get something called please wait. And yes, the version, we want to update the body to the 2.6. Yes. And we wait. Don't hit any buttons, don't mess this up, because that would really suck. Uh-oh. And are we updated? Is our firmware updated? Let's double check. I'm gonna go to menu, version display. Awesome, so I got the 2.6 update.
So check it out, we have the updated firmware on our GH5. It's really easy to do. Hopefully that step-by-step tutorial can get you in the game. But now it's the fun part. So I want to vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna vlog about, but I'm gonna take this out and about and I'm gonna try the new settings and see if I notice anything different at all. This is still my favorite camera and my go-to camera in 2020. I absolutely love this Panasonic GH5 and I don't see myself changing cameras anytime soon. My clients are typically small business owners and entrepreneurs who they hire me to tell their stories so they can ignite to the next level and dominate their marketplace and generate more profits. And I've also got into weddings this past year, and this is my go-to. The GH5 handles all my needs. It handles all my YouTube needs. I'm kind of sad right now because when I create content, it's usually from the GH5, but when I have to showcase the GH5, I'm using the Panasonic GH4 to do so. I absolutely love this camera. Let's see if it was worth the upgrade. There we go, testing 1 2 1 2. I got the newly updated 2.6 autofocus firmware. Right now I want to give a shout out to this. This is top-notch lotion. Let me focus in on here. Oh, that's pretty good autofocus. We are testing this. Autofocus is still sketch. It's still a little sketch, but it's a little bit better, I'm noticing right now. Let me try something else. Not bad. Hey, what's up, big guy? We tested the autofocus out, vlogging. What you eating over there? Can I have one? What's that? What's that? Chocolate chip muffin? It's okay. I don't want one. It's okay. Thank you though, Carter. How's that autofocus looking? Right now I have the autofocus with the set box around, so everything in that box is good. Shouts out to these though. Gotta always be on the move with some fresh breath. Autofocus is trash right now. Let me see. Autofocus is garbage. It is not focusing at all on this. One day the GH5 will be perfect. One day. You all done? He's all done. You thirsty? Want juice? Here you go. One of the albums I am currently bumping. Excuse the crack. This is my trap phone. Can you see that? Tame Impala, baby. The Slow Rush. I love Tame. I'm about to meet up with my lovely fiance. We're actually getting married in May 23rd. I'll meet you in Central Park. About to go get some pho. Shouts out to my lovely fiance. Pulled up to the lunch spot. Shout out to South Vietnam Pho. This is my favorite pho spot in Fredericksburg. Huh? No. At least in that,
Oh, they
can I
bought
get
you
close
a
up
fork
here?
too.
Oh, they disrespect. Ooh, let me see that thing shimmer. Autofocus. This is autofocus test. Bad. You know, I know that's a lot of stress. This autofocus feature is better. Shouts out to AirPods because I definitely be feeling myself. I be feeling bougie AF. When I have them in my ear, I'm at the grocery store. I feel like I'm in a slow motion music video, just boom. Shouts out to AirPods. Shouts out to Ignite Cinemas. Branding 101. I done dog. Look, man. I done dogged the whole row. I changed it to one area. It was on auto face detect, but I don't know. I'm trying. It's gonna be between these two. And also shouts out to a good homie of mine, Miss Tawny Gizzy. She just released a book. I'm so proud of her, and my friends do incredible things and they're flourishing. And you know I had to show support, so I'm big on my Kindle, and I pre-ordered it, and look what came. Oh, okay. Shouts out to K. Michelle. This is my fiance's, by the way, not mine. Gotta stay hydrated. Autofocus is being pretty cool today. I'm not gonna hold you, I'm not gonna lie. Hello, line one? Yeah, Girl Scout cookies. What's up, big guy? Chamber Squad up in here, man. Hey.
Hi, Jamie.
What's going on?
Okay.
We're at a job fair today at Mary Washington. I was already vlogging, so I figured I would come through today and show some extra love and try to spread the awareness of how great the chamber is and what the Chamber Network of Young Professionals does for professionals like me who own their own business in the area, and how great it has been over the past year in helping ignite my business to the next level in a community that's the greatest, which is Fredericksburg. I mean, I've used this autofocus feature for the past 3 days. You guys saw it in the test footage, from everything from vlogging to getting B-roll to whatever. And you know, like, sometimes I'd be like, yeah, I noticed a difference, this is awesome. And then sometimes I'd be like, dog, what in the whole tarnation, what the heck, this isn't no upgrade, this is a downgrade. So like, it's really still hit or miss, you know. Like, the times I did say that the autofocus was clutch and awesome, I was all for it. And the times that it seemed like it took forever to, like when I was looking at my AirPods and stuff and the lotion, I was just like, what the heck, just throw the whole GH5 away. But I'm gonna keep rocking with it, you know. It is what it is. Obstacle is the way, and it's really what you make it. I use mostly autofocus with the one area. I did notice that the face detection seemed a little bit better for me in some cases, but not in all cases, and I'm gonna still do the one area. So that is my final verdict on this. Let me know what your verdict is in the comments. So check it out. If this video helped you out and gave you value, please smash that like button for me right now. And if you want to see more GH5 videos like this one, as well as Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials, gear unboxings and reviews, and filming tips and tricks, subscribe, hit that red button so you never miss a video. And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.